Today is a 15-minute Qigong exercise for stress and anxiety. So I'm going to go ahead and begin with the happy bounce. This also helps generate new cell growth, get rid of stress and anxiety. And it helps just massage everything to start getting that stress out. This is for all levels, so any fitness level you're at, if you're just starting out, this can be for you too. Go ahead and put your arms up. You're just going to shake your wrists around. You're going to breathe into the nose, out through the mouth. Now I'm just going to do like a nice gentle sway back and forth. Should feel really good on your spine. You can just twist a little bit more, go slow, only go as far as it feels good for you. If it starts to hurt, don't do as much. We're here to heal and not torture you. You have your feet about hip width apart. You have your arms out long, palms facing out. Tuck in your chin just a little bit and place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Slowly breathe in through the nose. Out the mouth. Right now, just smile to yourself. Envisioning your legs and your feet are all grounded to the ground right now. Focus on your heartbeat. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep smiling to yourself. Out. Okay, you start bringing up your hands a little bit. Keep smiling to yourself. Raise your hands up a little bit more. Okay, you're standing almost straight up, palms facing forward. Okay, you start bending your hands up and you start touching your fingers. Keep your arms as straight as you can. You might notice you might be stiffer on one side or the other. That's perfectly fine. We're trying to stretch both sides equally if you can. Keep your wrists engaged and slowly start bringing it down. Relax your shoulders and continue to press your palms away from you, but keep your wrists engaged. Now, if this is your first time, you're having a little trouble, you can lower your arms a little bit, maybe relax your hands out just a little bit, but if you can, just stay right there. Smile to yourself. So now we're going to start lowering our arms just a little bit more. hands by your side, and we're going to touch the fingertips together. We're going to interlace your fingers. Now bring it up to your chest. And now we're going to take your fingers, we're going to start pushing out. You're going to bend your knees just a little bit. And then we're going to bring our hands together. And then we're going to stand back up, bring your hands. Women, put left over right, men right over left. And bring it to your stomach right here. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you're going to slowly release back down. Put your hands to the outside. And stretch out as long as you can with your arms. Palms should be facing out. Remember, keep smiling to yourself. Slowly start raising up your arms again, palms out. Keep smiling to yourself. We're about halfway out. And start noticing you're feeling a little bit warm, and your palms are going to face forward. Trying to keep your shoulders down. Keep smiling. Your hands back out like we were earlier. You're going to go about halfway. Engage those wrists. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Focus on your heartbeat right now and smile to yourself. We're here and we are alive. Smile to yourself. You have everything to be grateful for. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. This is going to help protect your heart, improve your lung function. It's going to help if you're really sore or an old injury, you need to get that flexibility back. This is going to really help you out. We're going to interlace those fingers again. You're going to bring it back up towards your chest. And now we're going to push your hands back out. Palms will start to face outward again. And now we're going to spring your hands like you're envisioning like you're bringing in a ball of energy right now. Bringing it in. Again, left over right for women, right over left for men. Bring it back down. Put the hands facing out. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. We're going to slowly raise your hands up. Smile. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. We're going to keep raising your hands up. Palms should be facing forward. Keep those shoulders relaxed and down, but you're going to try to stretch as high as you can. You're going to start engaging those wrists a little bit. Now we're going to start going to the outside again. And we're about halfway down. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Smile to yourself and listen to your heartbeat. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. And slowly lower your arms back down. Okay, now you're going to touch your fingertips back together again. You're going to interlace. You're going to bring it back in front of your chest again. Now we're going to reach out with our fingertips. You're going to slowly, like you're doing a slow swim, like you're going through water. Now we're going to grab that ball of energy. It's almost like you could feel the energy going between your hands. And put your hands right back on your stomach again. Women, left over right, men, right over left. And you sit here in the calm and listen to your heartbeat. And start it over again, hands out. Slowly raise back up. Make sure you smile to yourself. Keep raising up to the top. Palms should be facing forward again. And now we're going to engage those wrists. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. Slowly start dropping down your hands and arms. Try to keep them completely extended out if you can. When you start noticing your chest is going to start feeling a little warm. You feel circulation all in your hands and wrists. And slowly keep bringing down your hands. All while we're keeping the wrist engaged. Back up. So now we're just going to rub our palms together. And we're going to massage our face about 9 times. Grab your ears. You're kind of like pulling on your ears a little bit. About 9 times. And now we're just going to rub. And I'm going to tap top of your head all the way down to your neck. Tapping. I'm going to go down the body. You're going to do tapping. I'm going to go up and tap on the torso and on the side. Other side. Start tapping on your arm, top, bottom, other side. All right, so now we're going to do a little bit of cupping on the back. This is like for your kidneys. Spin your knees a little bit. And you're going to use the back of your hands to massage. Almost like you can feel your knuckles. Into your back a little bit. You can lift your shirt up so it's just skin on skin, get a little bit more pressure in there. Just like that. Okay, and you're going to bend your knees a little bit. And you're going to tap on the hip joints. You're going to cup on the knees. So try to get up on your toes and then let it drop so you feel it press back down on your feet. So up, let it drop. Up, and you're gonna let it drop. Up, let it drop. Bring your hands together. You're gonna listen to the calm. Breathe in. Out through the mouth. All right, thank you for coming. I hope I help you and anyone else that wants to watch this. Let others know that might need this, especially for stress and anxiety. We got a crazy world out there, but we don't have to be crazy too. Thank you so much. Love you.